I wanted to go over this carburetor. It's a Chinese knockoff of the HSR Mikuni 42, 44, and 46 millimeter. This is a 44. It's a carburetor that come on some Harleys, and it's also the same thing as the Mikunis that come on ATVs. There's not many usually. Usually the Mikunis have, the ATVs have the Keihin FCR carburetor, which is this. This is the FCR 39. I don't really care for these carburetors. The accelerator pump isn't adjustable. There's a mod you can do to make it a little bit better, but the Mikuni is a far superior carburetor. So why do I think it's superior? Well, for one, the accelerator pump right here runs off your throttle, pushes down here. There's adjustments on here. Right here, this screw. If I can do this on camera. See, the white piece moves independent of the throttle. So you can change the screw. If you push it in, this white piece will come down later after the throttle has already started to open. So it delays the accelerator pump. If you turn the screw out, it'll come push down sooner. So you'll get the accelerator pump will kick in sooner, like as soon as you hit the throttle. Also, in here sticking up right there is the accelerator pump jet. And with this kit comes with another one. I don't know if they're the same size because there's no markings on these. So I'm going to have to look at them and see if one's bigger. But you can get different ones, different sizes. So you can also use that to adjust your accelerator pump. So it's far superior to the FCR carburetor in that aspect. There's some kits, I got it on eBay, there's some kits that don't really come with anything. You get the carburetor alone for like $90, or for just over $100 you can get this little kit. If you're not familiar with the carburetor, there's this little tuning manual that it's actually pretty good. It shows you quite a bit of stuff. And then it comes with a couple different main jets. Of course, it's going to be jetted similar to, probably to like a Harley 1200 Sportster. I just threw this on my Outlaw 525 and it's pretty close. But I'm going to have to buy a couple of jets to get it tuned in. What else? Also, this little screw right here on top, that stops this piece. It stops the accelerator pump. So if you want to get fuel fast, but then have it cut off so it doesn't choke it out, you could have this screw backed off all the way and this one turned in. And you'll get a fast, short burst. You can have this one out and this one backed out like I have it. And you get a fast, long shot of fuel. Which seems to work good with the Outlaw. It seems like it even needs a little more, so I think I gotta get the bigger jet for the accelerator pump. Things you might have to change if you want to put this on a four-wheeler that has an FCR. Probably a different throttle cable. This cable goes on here and then goes around this little pulley down and hooks right there. So it's really long. It's a lot longer than the FCR cable. The choke is right here, so you might need a different choke cable. I'm just looking at them here. I'm not sure, I haven't tried if you can use this knob on here, if it's different. Imagine it's probably different. You could also get a cable and run it up to your handlebars with a knob on there. So that's about it. If you have a four-wheeler with FCR and you can't get it to stop cutting out when you whack the throttle really fast, this is a good replacement. And even though this is a Chinese knockoff for $100, it's pretty much identical. I have some, I've had some of the real ones in the past, and I can't really tell a difference. So, yeah, that's about it. But, yeah, I really recommend this carburetor over the Keihin FCR. It's a definite improvement. And once you get this accelerator pump tuned in, you'll be really happy with it. It's amazing. Alright, thanks. That's all.